On behalf of Norton Healthcare with the Institute for Education and Development, we appreciate your support for our new partnership with Galen College of Nursing and JCPS. Today brings me so much joy and excitement for the future of healthcare. Through our partnership, we are committed to students not only being academically invested in, but also financially invested in. We've committed to tuition assistance to JCPS high school seniors completing their practical nursing diploma at Galen College of Nursing. While students are learning to be safe, clinically strong healthcare professionals committed to working as an LPN at Norton Healthcare upon graduation, Norton Healthcare is covering their tuition cost at Galen College of Nursing.
I want to help people get better and help them in their time of need. If I don't have to pay for going to school and stuff like that, or I can get help with paying for school, I feel like that would help me a lot because I wouldn't be able to have this chance without this program, and I wouldn't have the path to succeed without this program.
JCPS is committed to the Academies of Louisville model, which opens up opportunities for many of our students to begin their college and or career journeys before exiting high school. Health science continues to be one of our more popular pathways amongst our students, with over 6,000 students in the pathways across 19 different schools. The more we can connect students to authentic real-world opportunities, the higher the success rate as they transition. Programs like this one is one avenue in which this can happen.
Setting the standard for quality and caring is part of our organization's values. This partnership provides an amazing opportunity for students to live in possibility, to value their learning, and to value caring for people.